Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Jay. Today we are going to talk about a new topic. It's about idioms. As you see in the thumbnail, you can see the most useful and very easy and very fun idioms you can use in day-to-day life. So let's talk about what are those idioms you can use, and I will tell you what are those idioms really mean. An idiom is a group of words established by the usage as having a meaning, not deducible from those of the individual words. Simply, an idiom means a group of words that is said to someone and that someone will not be able to understand the meaning just by referring to the individual meaning of that words. So, there will be a different meaning apart from that specified word phrase. Now, let's talk and let's get the meaning by discussing several idioms that are commonly used in day-to-day basis. Number one is get your act together. Get your act together. This doesn't mean to compact yourself in a place or to go and act somewhere or to memorize some kind of a drum. This means to improve your behavior, to improve your work. So the idiom get your act together means to improve your behavior. So if someone just come and tell you, get your act together, it doesn't mean to go and act somewhere or don't act the way you're doing. It means to improve yourself, to improve your way and to improve your behavior. So I think it's helpful, and let's move on to the second idiom. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Now, this doesn't mean to pull yourself somewhere or to get pushed by someone or something else. This means calm down. Calm down. I think you must experience this idiom when you're in a very busy or in a stress environment or in a stress place. So, if someone comes and tells you, pull yourself together, that means they're telling you to calm down. Don't stress out, we are there for you. So, pull yourself together and move on. Third idiom is, it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake for me. When someone says this to you, it doesn't mean they want to give you a piece of cake or they want you to give them a piece of cake. It means the thing they've done was very easy for them. If they did some kind of a job or a work, that means that work and that job was very easy for them. So, it was just a piece of cake for me. So, for an example, if you go for a test and if the test was very easy for you, you can go and tell to your friends, the test was a piece of cake for me. So, use this. The fourth idiom that is commonly used is break a leg. Break a leg. Usually, this idiom is used with the actors in theatre. I mean, sometimes they are used with a lot of people, not with the actors at all. We also can use this. This means good luck. Good luck. Break a leg doesn't mean to go and break someone else's leg. So be very careful. Don't go and break anyone else's leg. It means good luck. You can do that. So if someone says break a leg, that means they are wishing you good luck. So tell them thank you. Don't go and hit them or break their legs. The fifth idiom is hit the hay. Hit the hay or hit the hay sack. This doesn't mean that you are going to go and hit a hay sack. This means that you're exhausted and you want to go and sleep. I mean, this is a very common idiom that is used in day-to-day basis, and I've heard this a lot of time when my friends and when my parents and when my neighbors say that they want to hit the hay. That means they're exhausted. After a tired day, it's a very common idiom that you can use. I'm sorry, Mama, or I'm sorry, Papa, I'm going to hit the hay. I'm really tired and I'm going to go and get a good night's sleep. Sometimes you can use this at the afternoon or in the evening or in a time that you are not supposed to sleep due to that you are very exhausted. So, don't resist yourself to say this. It's a very formal and kind of a nice way to express yourself. So, go and say, hit the head. The sixth idiom is, I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. The meaning of this idiom is that you're sick. That you're sick. So, I can remember one of my friends when he was not sick at all. At the same time, he hasn't done his homework. So, when the teacher called him, he said, "Teacher, I was feeling under the weather. That's why I couldn't do the homework." So she was impressed about the accuracy of his English and she let him go. So, make sure you be brave enough to use those idioms at those places. So, I'm feeling under the weather means that you're sick. There you go with the common idioms that you can use in day-to-day basis. And if someone say those idioms, now you will know what those idioms really mean. So make sure that you use them correctly and be brave enough to show that you know those idioms. So thank you for joining with Speak English with Jay. If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for joining with me. So let's meet you with another new video. Bye bye.